Few years ago, I was with my wife doing family history at the Richmond Historical Archive in Richmond, Virginia. And I happened to see this notebook, a bound notebook of someone doing their math homework. Okay, their algebra assignments. Notice here page 1 at the top, and the date here is May 10th, 1858. And notice the hand, how beautiful it is, how they write. I was able to take a few pictures of this math notebook. Okay, and I was so impressed with how neat this person wrote. I wish I would know the age, all right, of this person, but it could have been really a teenager doing their math homework. But see how beautiful it is, how well preserved is the assignments. Here is the last page. Notice is page 88. All right. And we have here something interesting. He wrote binomial theorem and cross it out. You couldn't erase anything written in ink. And so you had this was the correct way of amending something. And then here it says to raise a quadratic to raise a fraction to any power, and raise is misspelled. This should have been RAISE, okay, not raise like in the type of the author of the math assignment. And then here at the very end, we have his signature, James Wilson, July 21st, 1858. Okay, and this seems to say West Union, so probably the place where he was. But what a treasure here, and a great example of a very, very good calligraphic writing. So he wrote this from May to July. So it took him basically, it seems like a couple of months during the summer to study this. In my classes, I ask the students to take notes by hand. It is a lot easier to take notes by hand, but it is very important to write clearly. And so that is this really is the inspiration for me wanting to teach you calligraphy, is to be able to write not just mathematical notes, but any type of note in a way that is beautiful, that it could be preserved and it could be understood centuries later.